Birds, one of the many animals that can fly, but not all of them can fly high to the sky. Today we cast our gaze skyward to behold the giants of the sky, the largest birds on Earth. From the soaring condors to the mighty ostriches, these awe-inspiring creatures showcase the splendor and might of the natural world. Join us as we traverse continents, delve into diverse habitats, and encounter these avian marvels up close. Prepare to be captivated by their immense size, formidable strength, and extraordinary adaptations that ensure their survival. High in the Andes Mountains of South America, a majestic creature soars on currents of air that would leave lesser birds grounded. This is the Andean condor, a bird whose very presence speaks of freedom and wild, untamed landscapes. With a wingspan that can stretch up to 11 feet, it's a sight to behold, a symbol of hope against the backdrop of rugged peaks and endless skies. The Andean condor is a scavenger, playing a vital role in its ecosystem by cleaning up carrion. Its keen eyesight, capable of spotting a carcass from miles away, guides it across vast distances. They glide effortlessly, conserving energy as they ride thermals, those invisible columns of rising air. It's a delicate dance between bird and sky, a testament to the power of natural selection. But even giants face threats. Habitat loss and human persecution have taken their toll, leaving the Andean condor classified as vulnerable. Efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures, to ensure that future generations can look up and witness the awe-inspiring sight of a condor in flight. It's a reminder that hope, like these birds, needs our help to stay aloft. Our next journey takes us to the wetlands and shallow lakes of southeastern Europe and parts of Asia, where we encounter a bird that seems almost prehistoric in its grandeur, the Dalmatian pelican. With its distinctive curly nape feathers and a massive bill that could hold a small watermelon, it's hard to miss this feathered giant. Reaching lengths of up to 6 feet and boasting a wingspan that can exceed 9 feet, the Dalmatian pelican is a true heavyweight among birds. They're highly social creatures, often gathering in large flocks, their synchronized movements creating a mesmerizing ballet on the water's surface. And when it comes to feeding, the Dalmatian pelican has a unique strategy. Working together, groups of pelicans will herd fish into shallow water, their large bills scooping up their prey with surprising agility. It's a sight that speaks to the power of cooperation, a reminder that even in the animal kingdom, teamwork can lead to success. But like many of our feathered giants, the Dalmatian pelican faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss, pollution, and disturbance from human activities threaten their populations. It's up to us to protect these magnificent birds and the delicate ecosystems they call home. The open ocean is a vast and unforgiving wilderness, yet it's home to a creature that embodies both grace and endurance. The wandering albatross. With the largest wingspan of any bird alive today, reaching up to 12 feet, the albatross is a master of the skies, capable of soaring effortlessly for hours on end. Imagine, if you will, following this majestic bird as it glides above the waves, its black and white plumage a stark contrast to the endless blue. Its long, narrow wings, perfectly adapted for gliding, carry it thousands of miles across the ocean in search of food. They ride the wind with an almost effortless ease, their movements a testament to the power of nature's design. The wandering albatross spends most of its life at sea, landing only to breed on remote islands. These birds mate for life, returning to the same nesting grounds year after year to raise their young. It's a testament to their loyalty and resilience, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way. But their very existence is threatened by human activities. Longline fishing, where miles of baited hooks are trailed behind fishing vessels, poses a significant danger to albatrosses, who often get caught and drown. It's a tragic reminder of the interconnectedness of our world, and the responsibility we have to protect all creatures, great and small. There's a certain elegance, a quiet dignity to the next bird on our list. Found in North America, the trumpeter swan is a symbol of grace and beauty. With a wingspan that can reach up to 10 feet, it's the largest waterfowl in the world, its pure white plumage a stark contrast to the blue waters it calls home. Imagine yourself standing on the shores of a pristine lake as a trumpeter swan glides gracefully by. Its long, slender neck curves with an almost regal bearing, its black bill a stark contrast to its snowy white feathers. And then, it utters its call, a deep, resonant sound that gives the bird its name, a sound that echoes across the water, a haunting reminder of the wildness that still exists in our world. Trumpeter swans are highly social animals, forming strong pair bonds that can last for years. They mate for life, sharing the responsibility of raising their young, a testament to the power of partnership. and as they glide across the water their movements seem almost effortless, a reminder that true strength often lies in quiet grace. But their story, like many on our list, is one of resilience. Once hunted almost to extinction for their feathers and meat, trumpeter swans have made a remarkable comeback, thanks to conservation efforts. Their story is a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, recovery is possible if we choose to act. Our journey takes us next to a bird that might seem a little more familiar, a bird that often takes center stage on our dinner tables, the turkey. But beyond its culinary significance, the turkey is a fascinating creature with a long and storied history. While domesticated turkeys are a common sight, their wild counterparts are larger and more impressive, with males reaching up to 4 feet in height. Imagine yourself stepping back in time to the forest of North America before European colonization. Here, among the trees, you might encounter a flock of wild turkeys, their iridescent feathers catching the sunlight as they forage for food. The males, with their colorful wattles and impressive size, strut and display, hoping to attract a mate. Domesticated over 2,000 years ago in Mexico, turkeys have played a significant role in human culture. From religious ceremonies to festive meals, they have become woven into the fabric of our lives. And while we often associate turkeys with the Thanksgiving holiday, their story extends far beyond the dinner table. They are a reminder of the interconnectedness of humans and nature, and the impact we have on the world around us. So, the next time you see a turkey, whether it's on a farm or your plate, take a moment to appreciate this remarkable bird and its long and fascinating history. Our avian adventure takes us now to the grasslands and savannas of South America, where we encounter a bird that embodies both power and grace, the greater rhea. Standing up to 5 feet tall and weighing up to 60 pounds, the greater rhea is a sight to behold, its long legs and powerful thighs allowing it to reach impressive speeds. Picture yourself standing on the vast Argentine pampas, the wind whipping through the tall grasses. Suddenly, a greater rhea bursts from cover, its long legs carrying it across the open terrain with surprising speed. Its wings, while not large enough for flight, are spread wide, aiding in balance and maneuverability as it navigates the grasslands. The greater rhea is a social bird, often found in flocks that can number in the dozens. During the breeding season, males compete for the attention of females, engaging in elaborate displays of strength and agility. It's a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world, and the constant struggle for survival. But like many of the creatures on our list, the greater rhea faces threats from habitat loss and hunting. It's a reminder that even the mightiest of creatures are vulnerable, and that we have a responsibility to protect the delicate balance of nature. Our next journey takes us to the coldest and harshest continent on Earth, Antarctica. Here, amidst the frozen wastelands and icy winds, we encounter a bird that embodies resilience and unwavering parental dedication, the emperor penguin. Standing nearly 4 feet tall and weighing up to 99 pounds, the emperor penguin is the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species, its sleek black and white plumage providing camouflage in the icy landscape. Imagine, if you will, the desolate beauty of the Antarctic winter, the sun a distant memory as temperatures plummet and blizzards rage. Yet in this unforgiving environment, the emperor penguin thrives, its life cycle a testament to the power of adaptation. Each year, thousands of penguins embark on a grueling journey across miles of ice and snow to reach their traditional breeding grounds. It's here, in the depths of winter, that the female emperor penguin lays her single egg. The male penguin then takes on the extraordinary task of incubating the egg, balancing it on his feet, and covering it with a warm fold of skin called a brood pouch. For 2 months he endures the harshest conditions on Earth, huddled together with other males for warmth without food or water. When the chick finally hatches, the female returns, her belly full of food for her hungry offspring. The parents then share the responsibility of raising their chick, protecting it from predators and the elements. The emperor penguin's story is a powerful reminder that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way, and that love and dedication can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Our journey takes us next to the land of sunshine and ancient wonders, Australia, home to a bird that embodies both speed and resilience, the emu. Standing tall at over 6 feet, the emu is the second largest bird in the world by height, its powerful legs carrying it across the Australian outback at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Picture yourself driving across the vast Australian plains, the sun beating down on the red earth. Suddenly, a flash of brown and gray catches your eye. It's an emu, its long legs a blur as it races across the landscape, its feathers ruffled by the wind. They are nomads, these feathered giants, roaming vast distances in search of food and water. The emu is flightless, its wings reduced to small, vestigial structures. But what it lacks in aerial abilities, it more than makes up for in speed and endurance. They are powerful runners, capable of covering long distances with ease. And when threatened, an emu can deliver a powerful kick with its clawed feet, a reminder that even the most gentle giants have their defenses. The emu holds a special place in Aboriginal culture, featuring prominently in their mythology and Dreamtime stories. They are a symbol of strength, resilience, and connection to the land. As we admire the emu's impressive size and speed, let us also remember the importance of respecting and protecting the ancient cultures and ecosystems that these magnificent birds call home. From the sun-drenched plains, we venture into the dense rainforests of New Guinea and northeastern Australia, where we encounter a bird that commands both respect and caution, the cassowary. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 130 pounds, the cassowary is a formidable creature. Its glossy black plumage and striking casque, a helmet-like structure on its head, making it instantly recognizable. Imagine yourself trekking through the rainforest, the air thick with humidity and the sounds of exotic birdsong. Suddenly, the forest floor seems to tremble. Through the dense foliage you spot it, a cassowary, its powerful legs carrying it with surprising agility through the undergrowth. Its eyes, sharp and intelligent, seem to pierce through the shadows. The cassowary is often referred to as the most dangerous bird in the world, and for good reason. Its powerful legs are equipped with sharp claws, particularly the inner toe, which can grow up to 4 inches long. These claws are capable of inflicting serious injuries, and the cassowary will not hesitate to use them if it feels threatened. But despite their fearsome reputation, cassowaries are shy and solitary creatures, preferring to avoid contact with humans. They play a vital role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers, their diet consisting mainly of fruits and berries. As we marvel at the cassowary's unique appearance and powerful presence, let us also remember the importance of respecting their space and ensuring their survival in the wild. Our final destination takes us to the savannas and deserts of Africa, where we encounter the undisputed king of the avian world, the ostrich. Standing tall at an impressive 9 feet and weighing up to 300 pounds, the ostrich is the largest living bird on Earth, its long legs and powerful thighs making it a formidable runner. Imagine yourself standing on the African savanna, the sun beating down as you witness a truly awe-inspiring sight. An ostrich in full stride, its legs pumped tirelessly, propelling its massive body across the plains at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Dust billows in its wake as it effortlessly outruns predators and covers vast distances in search of food. The ostrich is a true marvel of adaptation. Its long neck provides a wide range of vision, allowing it to spot predators from afar. Its powerful legs are not only built for speed but also for defense. A single kick from an ostrich can kill a lion, its 2-toed feet delivering a bone-crushing blow. But despite their size and strength, ostriches are generally gentle giants. They are often found in groups, their social nature providing safety in numbers. And while they cannot fly, their wings serve a purpose, helping them balance during their high-speed runs and providing shade for their chicks during the heat of the day. The ostrich, with its impressive size, speed, and resilience, stands as a testament to the power and wonder of the natural world. We've traveled from the Andes Mountains to the African savanna, witnessed the grace of soaring condors and the raw power of charging ostriches. We've seen how these magnificent creatures have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, and we've been reminded of the delicate balance that exists between all living things. These giants of the sky, these feathered wonders, hold a special place in our hearts. They inspire awe, ignite our curiosity, and remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Their stories are as varied as the landscapes they inhabit, each one a testament to the power of nature's design. So the next time you look up and see a bird soaring overhead, take a moment to appreciate its beauty, its strength, its freedom. Remember the giants we've encountered today, and let their stories inspire you to protect and cherish the natural world, for it's a gift we must never take for granted.